Are you drowning in customer support tickets? Well, then what if your Google Sheets could analyze, summarize, and categorize them in seconds with no extra tools and no copy pasting? Well, in this video, I'll show you how you can turn your Google Sheets into a full-blown AI-powered customer support assistant. And this is using GPT Workspace. Whether you're a solo founder, lean e-commerce team, or a part of a support crew, this simple setup will save you hours of manual work, and it's all done within Google Sheets. All right, guys, so start by pasting your customer messages into the original message column in our template. I've already just pre-filled some customer support claims in for us. Let me just zoom in so you have a better look. Now, we have a couple prompts that you can use. So the first thing is GPT, please classify into the following category: positive, negative, and neutral. And then GPT will read your claims and then classify it into positive, negative, neutral. So let me show you how that works. So basically all you have to do is take this formula, paste it in here, and now show out that it's negative. And if you want to apply it to the rest, you just have to drag and drop all the way to the bottom, and it will filter and read through all the claims and filter it into positive, negative, and neutral. Just like it's done here. Great. Now, the reason this is really good is because you can sort and filter by sentiment to find angry or urgent claims that you want to sort out first before moving to maybe the neutral or the positive claims. This kind of helps you prioritize where you kind of need urgent attention. Now, the next thing, and this is one of my favorite parts, is you can categorize these claims so it's easier to filter through for your support team. So we've created some categories, but you can create your own, such as refund, technical issue, shipping delay, and account access. That way you can send those claims specifically to specific teams, whether it's the shipping team, the technical team, etc. So let me show you how to do this. So we have our own prompt here, and we have to just copy paste. L7 is this cell, so we're just going to paste it into L7. Whoops, just gonna have to delete that. So it becomes a formula, press enter, and bam, now it's read. My package hasn't arrived yet, even though the tracking says it was delivered. It's recognized as a shipping delay. And we can now apply the same thing to the rest of our support claims. It'll read through all of them. And now it's starting to categorize it. So now we have categorized all our support claims. Benefit of this is you can filter it on Google Sheets, and then you can see what your most common support claims are and maybe where leaks in your business are. So it's an amazing tool where GPT Workspace integrates with Google Sheets, so you can work through your support claims more efficiently and figure out the exact issues in your business. So again, the main benefit breakdowns is that you save hours by skipping manual tagging. You often improve the accuracy, consistent outputs. You scale your support without actually hiring extra help and customer support teams. And you spot patterns and common complaints that would otherwise go unnoticed. Now, the cool thing is you don't need to build anything from scratch. You can just copy the template, which is in the link below, and connect with GPT Workspace to start automating this immediately. Now, guys, customer support doesn't have to be a time sink. With GPT Workspace, your Google Sheets becomes faster, smarter, and 10 times more useful. If this helped you and you think it helps you rethink how you would improve your support, give a like and subscribe. We'll drop more GPT Workspace hacks and tricks along with the latest AI productivity news coming out every week. See you next time.